Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I will take you on a walk through this beautiful island in Maldives where I am working as a teacher. It's exam season, so our schedule is a bit different, much more relaxed. No classes, no extra sessions, just marking papers, writing comments, uploading the assessments, mostly paperwork, and some of it is in Excel. So I take this little peaceful walks to refresh my mind between marking. It really helps me stay focused. I always feel that when we are correcting students' work, especially during exams, we need to have a clear mind. We are making important decision about their performance, so being mentally calm is really important. Speaking of marking, let me share a trick I use for listening skills marking for ESL subject. I take the OMR sheet and use a cutter to cut out the correct answer boxes like A, B, C, or D, depending on the key. Then I place this cutout sheet on the top of the student's answer sheet. Wherever their answer aligns with the cutout, I just tick it. So it's fast, accurate, and honestly a lifesaver during busy marking days. Many IGCSE teachers use this trick too. So if you are not aware about it, even you can do by this method. Now, while you enjoy this island view and the short clips that I recorded for you over here, I also want to answer a few questions I have been getting a lot in the comments. First, about the rent. I'm living with a Maldivian family and I have rented a room in their house. My total rent is MVR 3000 per month, and that includes the room, electricity, and gas bills. Because it's someone's private home, I can't really do a full home tour, but I do try to show the spaces I use when I can. Next common question is how do I apply for teaching jobs in the Maldives? So here's how it usually works. You apply through agencies. I don't want to name any specific ones, but you can search online. If you are shortlisted, you'll have an interview. If selected, the agency will process your visa. You can verify the visa's authenticity on expat.com. Direct recruitment is not common anymore, so most people go through agencies. And now, as you see in the video clip, this tree is just outside my the place where I have rented, and it has a fruit like this. I don't know what this fruit is called. If you know, please put in the comment section below. Even I have seen breadfruit trees commonly here. Now about the agent charges. This really depends. Some agents charge below 1 lakh, some around 50,000 just for processing. But there are also agencies that ask for 2.5 to 3 lakhs, especially depending on the subject and the urgency. Officially, the ministry doesn't charge anything for recruitment, so the payment part is entirely up to you. It's your personal call. I won't give advice on whether you should pay or not. It depends upon your situation and comfort level. Just be smart, research well, and stay safe. Another big question I get is well, what are the students like here? Well, I'll be honest, teaching here is not at all easy. You may just have 10 students in the class, but they'll be full of energy, running, shouting, moving around. This is not the kind of place where the teacher commands and the students quietly follow. Here, students treat teachers more like equals, and if you are too controlling or rigid, it can backfire. You really have to build a relationship with them. Make learning fun, flexible, and make them want to participate without feeling like they are being forced. It takes patience, consistency, and a lot of creative efforts, but once they like you and trust you, they'll follow you. Do listen to this wave sound, it is so soothing and calming. So, yes, this life may look peaceful from the outside, the walks, the beach, the nature, but it comes with its own set of challenges. If you're thinking about coming here to teach, I hope this gives you a real and honest picture, not just a filtered highlights. Let me know if you have more questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll try to answer in my next video. And inshallah, once I get better tools and a tripod, I will bring you even better content. Until then, thank you for walking with me today. So many of you all are watching my video, but some of you are not subscribing. So do subscribe, like and comment. It really motivates me. Bye bye.